Today we're going to be building and welding a meat gambrel. It's for hanging animal carcasses on so we can be butchered. It's going to be welded and made out of rebar. So let's get started. So first things first, we want to measure and get our, we're going to be putting on, start off with the hooks, which is here and here. So we're going to measure them even. We're going to take a soapstone and mark it 4 inches on each side so that we know exactly where to bend the metal at. Alright, so now our metal is marked on both sides at 4 inches. Now we're going to put it in a vise and curve it to get this curved shape right here. So now that it's marked, we're going to take it and put the vise right on that perfect line that we made with the soapstone. And we're going to bend to make our hooks. We're going to do that on both sides. You want to make sure that it's even. So now we got our curves on both sides. But I measured this, it's 3 foot wide. I marked the center. So we're going to put the center of that line in the center of this vise. And we're going to make the curve for this gambrel. Super simple. Just going to bend it. Just like that. You want to make sure that it's flat as well. So we're going to back up and look at it. I'm going to put it back in the vise. Clamp it down. Secure it. I think I'm going to widen it out a little bit. Now we're going to get to welding the bottom support bar to keep the rebar from bending when we put weight on it. So. Now we're going to clean up our welds so that they look nice. So there you have it.
Next, we're going to be making this oval up here, half circle, whatever you want to call it. It's to put a chain on so that you can hang this from a ceiling or a chain hoist, whatever you want to use. So first, we're going to take and bend this into like a U with the vise. Now that we have our curve, we're going to cut off the excess. I'm going to cut off the other side.
Now we're going to be welding the loop at the top of the gambrel so it can be held by a chain. There you have it.
Now we're going to clean our welds up with a wire brush grinder. We're going to test our gambrel now with this piece. It's about 60-pound piece of I-beam. We got our gambrel hooked to a winch, and we're going to pick it up and see if the welds break.
I'd say she's sturdy.
Finally, we're going to put some paint on it to protect the bare metal. And there you have, beginning to end, the building of a meat gambrel.